Everyone keeps saying the same thing. Learn FastAPI. Django is dead. But is that actually true? Or are thousands of developers abandoning one of the most valuable backend skills because of internet hype? Today, we'll compare FastAPI versus Django 6, look at the current job market, salaries, AI trends, and answer one important question. Is Python still the king of backend development in 2026? Let's start with FastAPI. FastAPI became incredibly popular because it's fast, lightweight, and built for modern APIs. It supports asynchronous programming out of the box, automatically generates API documentation, and works perfectly for AI applications, microservices, and high-performance backend systems. If you're building LLM apps, AI agents, or machine learning APIs, chances are you'll see FastAPI everywhere. That's why many startups have adopted it. Now, what about Django 6? Despite what social media says, Django is far from dead. It's still one of the most complete backend frameworks available. Authentication, admin panel, ORM, security, forms, migrations, caching, you get almost everything built in. Large companies still use Django because it helps teams build secure products quickly. If you're creating SaaS products, dashboards, CRMs, internal tools, or full-stack web applications, Django remains an excellent choice. Here's where most people make a mistake. They compare frameworks. Companies hire people who solve problems. Today's backend developers are expected to know APIs, databases, authentication, cloud deployment, Docker, caching, and system design, not just one framework. FastAPI is becoming the preferred choice for AI and microservices. Django continues to dominate many enterprise applications and established products. Neither framework is replacing the other. They're solving different problems. So, what should you learn in 2026? If your goal is AI engineering, LLM applications, or modern API development, start with FastAPI. If you want to become a full-stack Python developer or build complete production web applications, start with Django 6. And if you're serious about backend development, learn both. Once you know Python, moving between Django and FastAPI is much easier than starting over with another language. So, do you think Python is still the king of backend development, or is another language taking over? Let me know in the comments.